Hey everyone, sorry for the bad audio. Microphone's dead. But this is the fgc9 MK2. This was done on the Prusa i3 MKS. I goofed up and I forgot to do the infill, so this is just a paperweight. There is some stringiness stuff going on in there. And there's an issue right there. But here's a standard AR grip. Seems to fit nice. So when I get a little bit more time, I will do another one with the proper infill, everything, and see if we can fix some of these flaws, get the layers going in the right direction. They're in the wrong direction there. So got a little flaw down up under here too, a little stringiness. So not bad for my fourth print. I'll give it another shot here shortly. But have a good day, guys.